Hello guys, my name is Pete and this is Trading Kitchen. Well, welcome to this new video. I haven't been posting any analysis, any video for 2 weeks, and I just have some vacation. Well, I traded, but I didn't post anything. So now I'm back, and let's do some overview, a weekly overview, looking for some good opportunities to trade. I remember to join my Discord group, in which I share every day my trading ideas on an intraday perspective with my intraday strategies. I will share my know-how, everything for free, because the only thing I want is just to grow my community. So join the Discord group. I will share the link down here in the comment section below. So what about this week? Let's start from S&P, and what we see, we are in a clear, in a clear bullish trend, a bullish momentum, and obviously the best thing to do is just wait for price to go back here inside this discount zone to take a trade here. Okay, so more or less here. Okay, stop loss just below this this low, and yeah, here the risk reward ratio could be high, just because I suppose that price will probably get into the main bullish trend that we can clearly see on a daily, and on a weekly. Yes, here we have a rejection, just a correction. To be honest, I'm just a little bit worried about these two lows. So here we have two double lows, and if we take a line graph, we see that probably this is the last buyer dominance. That is has been broken now. Has been broken. So yeah, we have to see, we have to wait. Obviously, we can say anything about the future just because of the economic environment, the Ukrainian situation. I mean, yeah, we cannot say anything, but anyway, what we can do now, just wait for the price to go back here, retest the zone, and if I see a pattern like that, I will probably go long here. But as we saw on the daily time frame, also a short could be good. So that's the reason why I highlighted this premium zone, which is the premium zone of this impulse, this range that we can see on 1 hour time frame. So around here, here we have also liquidity, to grab. For the same reason, this could be the last buyer dominance that had been broken here. So probably now for this week we are going to be short until we will reach this zone. And look at this long tail, means that here below here there is some liquidity to grab. Okay, so, and also here you see this week, there's one. Okay, so I'm pretty much sure the price will probably go back here, and then we have to question point, we have to wait. Okay, I don't know if price will go back for this week, but yeah, we have to just keep an eye here. Okay, just let me take also a volume profile on this range, and we do have volume area, volume zone here, in which we have the POC. Okay, so this will be also a good zone, a good level to keep an eye, and well, we can go long. I always wait for an evidence on the lower time frame. Okay, so I just wait the same old pattern. I mean, I wait at double high, okay, or a clear price action, candlestick pattern, clear price action pattern, okay, to go long. That's pretty much it, guys, for S&P. So there is we have to see a lot of things today. So the second one, the second asset is AUDUSD. So now we are in a strong supply zone. Okay, I will not go short here until I see a clear break of this structure. Okay, so here, and yeah, I will wait for the price to do this, go back, and go here. Okay, so here could be a good zone to trade when you see all these long tails. Okay, all these long tails means that here there is liquidity. Okay, so I suppose the price will probably try to go back here, grab the liquidity, but I will not go short until I will see price closing above here. Okay, and yeah, I highlighted also this interesting volume area, because here we have a lot of volumes. Is pretty much clear. Is also a zone in which price broke in the past on March this resistance. Okay, so I suppose that we're going to retest, but with the liquidity. So I suppose that here price will make a huge wick, a huge tail. Okay, so this is what I think about AUDUSD. Okay, so let's move ahead, and we have Euro GPY, more or less the same logic, but here we have a clear confirmation that we are on a bearish overview, on a bearish momentum. Why? Because we take a line graph, and well, we see that this structure is being broken. Okay, so this is last buyer dominance that is broken. So what does it mean? That now market is from the seller side, from here. Okay, by the seller side here. So this is our last seller dominance that have to command this market. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that probably price will go back here, retest the dominance, the seller dominance, to go short again. That's the reason why I highlighted this premium zone, okay, which is yeah, on the 75 of, so the fourth quarter of this range. Okay, I will not go short until we see price here, but to be honest, this could be a very good trade for this week, because everything seems clear. Okay, so this is what I will do. Let's move on, and Euro USD. So what to say here? So we are, and on a daily time frame we are in a clear bearish trend. Okay, but what we can see, it's pretty much clear here. We have this structure that had been broken. Okay, we have this long impulse. So if you like an aggressive way to trade, this could be a good demand zone to try to go long. Okay, to be honest, when I saw this this opening in which as you can see we have this you know, the opening of today was I mean was below the closing of Friday. Okay, so what does it mean? That we are in a strong bullish trend for today. So I will not go long here. I prefer to wait for the price to reach this zone, which is another good demand zone, and is also discount zone of this range. Okay, so I like it just a little bit more. Okay, so I just wait for the, yeah, this is on my vision. I mean, this is just a little bit risky, just because, yeah, here also we have a bearish pattern here. So this is could be just a bit risky, because the main trend was bearish until we will see this seller dominance to be invalidated. Okay, so be careful. Obviously, if price will going here for this week, but yeah, I suppose it's too far. I will consider a short, obviously. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, let's move on. Euro, Australian dollar. Yeah, more or less the same thing. Let's go on the left at what we see here. Okay, this could be a liquidity area. Okay, that's one. So now price is keep going down, so we are bearish on a daily time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, yeah, we made this double high. Okay, that makes me think that probably we are going to change the trend. Okay, I was ready to go long here on the 75, which is our demand zone and is our discount zone, but nothing happened here. Yes, this could be a good setup, a good pattern, but yeah, nothing happened. Then grab the liquidity here and finally break the structure and made another two highs. Okay, so this could be a good one to go long. Okay, this could be good here. So now price went back to this discount zone of this range. Okay, and yeah, here we have a tail, long tail. This means that here we have a liquidity. We have inefficient zone here. Okay, so yeah, this could be good. Could be good as well to keep an eye for today, right by now, and I just wait for a good pattern here to go long. Okay, we have Euro GBP, and in which yeah, we have a strong momentum, strong bearish momentum. We have inside the volume area with price has touched now the PSC of this zone. Yeah, but I'm not sure. I don't like it very much, to be honest. We have this strong momentum. Yeah, let's see. But this one could be a very good zone in which we can go long, just because price broke the structure, make a new high. Now what we expect to retest this zone probably is just a little bit too small. The zone is this one. Okay, so let's keep an eye here. This could be a very good pattern, a very good setup for today. Okay, just wait for a clear evidence on 5-minute time frame or 50-minute time frame, so to go long. Okay, maybe the last one will be GBPJPY. So yeah, this is a good supply zone. Okay, on a daily time frame in which we have a liquidity. Okay, look how long these tails are. Okay, and so price reacted here, and we are bullish. There is no doubt. We are on a strong bullish trend, but I will wait for the price to break the structure, close below it, and go to retest it, the same area from which this impulse has been created. So here, okay, same old story. On the 75, this is our premium zone. Okay, and so I just wait for the price to came back here, make a pattern, and then retrace on the 5-minute, on the 50-minute time frame to go short. This only if price will close here. That means that we are on a bearish overview, on a bearish perspective, because this dominance, which is this one, had been broken. So guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you like this kind of videos. Let me know what you think about using the comment section below. Just remember again to join my Discord group. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Okay, thank you guys, see you.